trouble making Aliyah to Israel because of a future criminal record. Sounds strange, maybe? Criminal record, but only in the future. But this is a real story that we had here at our office not long ago, and I'm going to tell you about it right now. Hi, my name is Joshua Pex. I'm an Israeli immigration lawyer. We help many people immigrating to Israel, and one of the main ways to immigrate is according to the law of return and making Aliyah for those who are Jews or children or grandchildren of Jews together with their family. So this is the case we had. Person came to us, a potential Oleh, a new immigrant, and he told us, American, he told us already a year I'm trying to get my Aliyah application approved, but unsuccessfully. They're asking me for more documents, and it's always taking time. So we heard more about the story, and we understood that as part of the Aliyah process, you need to show that you don't have a criminal record, and this is very understandable. Actually, in the law of return, it says that if a person is a danger to the public and has a criminal record, then the Israeli immigration authorities can limit or even refuse Aliyah. But this person didn't have any criminal record, but he did have many civil lawsuits going against him, all in the United States. He was a businessman. He did all kinds of, business endeavors with partners and suppliers, and he got into trouble with them, and there were lawsuits going on, but nothing was criminal. When he, for example, submitted his FBI background check as part of the Aliyah process, this was completely clean, but it seemed like, one of the immigration clerks to Israel Googled his name and got a lot of information and saw that there were many lawsuits going against this person, and immediately thought, okay, there's something going on, and asked for much more explanations and many documents about these cases. And of course, the client provided everything, but still the application was stalled. So when we took the case, we also approached Misrad Apnim, the immigration office. Again, they asked all the documents. You have to go through this process as a lawyer to sort of exhaust the procedures. But many times what happens in these kind of cases that you do actually need to go to the court in order to get things moving. So we submitted an application to the Jerusalem District Court for Administrative Cases, which is the one that deals with everything that has to do with immigration. And we got the answer that sounds a little bit strange, that yes, at the moment, the cases against this person are civil, but maybe in the future, some of these cases will become criminal and he will also be charged. But remember, at this point, no charges were even placed against him, and there was no indication. Actually, many of the civil cases were closed already, and they were in the past. So we went to the court, and even before the first hearing, after working with lawyers from the state attorney office, we reached agreement that our client could actually make Aliyah. And the client was very happy. We were also happy. We always like seeing people move to Israel and make Aliyah. It's less positive to think about immigration to Israel, which should actually be fast and easy, that in many times we see that is taking much, much longer than necessary. This client had to even go to court, pay lawyers. In these kind of cases, even when you win, the judge does give the person some legal expenses, but it's not even close to what a person actually ends up paying for the whole process, not talking about the time that it takes. So hopefully your Aliyah process will be easy, but if you have any trouble or any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.